Breakfast this morning is a Yoplait or a Dannon Fit and Light Greek yogurt. Weigh in today, so keeping it light today as usual. She's so crazy. Poor Miley. She puts up with a lot from that little dog. Oh, poor Miley. You know, if you go lay down, you can get rid of her. She can't get on the couch yet. She bites your tail? I'm sorry, Miley. I'm sorry, Miley. She's only a Peabody. She's only a little Peabody. Yeah. Come on, Miley, go lay down. Go lay down. There you go. She's so crazy. She's like insane. She's a clown dog for sure. She's so funny. I forgot to record it, guys, but I had one boiled egg for lunch today. Because it is weigh-in, I'm trying to keep it light, and I really didn't feel like a Premier Protein, so I just had one boiled egg. Hi guys, I am heading to weigh-in. I don't know how I did. I'm thinking I lost. I don't think I gained. I've been doing pretty good this week. I didn't have bad food that I was just craving and going to town on. So that's a good sign. But yeah, I'm enjoying the orange water. I just had 2 cans so far though, so I can control that because I don't love it, but it's a nice change, like when you need something that's not flat, like water. So I really have been enjoying that. And what else have I had that the pretzels are really good. I can control those so far. Now I was able to control other things for a while too, and then I didn't anymore. So, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to go to Starbucks today. I did bring muffins though. They're nice and fresh. They're the banana chocolate chip muffins from the Kodiak mix. I'm gonna eat those after I weigh in. So maybe I'll just run to Shopko and get some more of that. Shoot, I'm not gonna have time to do that either. I'm gonna just run to Starbucks. What the heck? Yeah, I'm going to. If I'm a few minutes late, that's all right. Next week, we are leaving on Saturday morning really super early to head to Texas. So we are going to go see our new grandbaby. I can't wait to see her. Oh my gosh, they named her Thea Elizabeth. And I'm really looking forward to seeing her and my older 2 grandchildren. My son has all 3 of the grandchildren, and he lives in Texas, so it's a long way. They used to live with us for a year, so I got really attached to the babies before the 3rd one was born, and we watched them quite a bit. And you know, you just get attached to them when they're there for a whole year. Yeah, you get so attached to them and you just want them there all the time. And then when they moved out, it was kind of sad for a while. It was so quiet. Oh my goodness. Those kids really just livened up the house, you know? And when they left, it was so quiet. Spend the week with them, and we did get an extended stay hotel over in Texas instead of barging in on them because they have such a small, tiny hotel or small, tiny apartment that we didn't want to just barge in and, you know, have air beds laying all over or whatever. And plus I didn't want to haul the air beds along. This week I am going to try pre-planning because, like I said, Saturday we're leaving, and then Monday we have weigh-in. Maybe I might wait till Tuesday or Wednesday to weigh in. I don't know. It depends. It depends on the times. If they have like an early morning time, I'd prefer that. Just because then I can eat sooner and eat more. Because like this morning, I had like a half a piece of fruit, yogurt, and then I had a boiled egg for lunch. So, I mean, it held me over okay, but I'd much rather have more for lunch. Here comes the rain again. We had showers off and on all day today so far. I mean, off and on and off and on and off and on. I think it rained 5 different times today. Same thing with yesterday. It was crazy. Our garden is definitely getting watered well. I hope it doesn't get too watered. Oh my goodness, it's really pouring over there. Like really pouring. It looks like a huge fog ahead of me. Maybe we'll have an extended summer and fall. Maybe. And less of a winter, I hope. I guess we can wish, right? Anyways, I probably won't lose all of my 1 pound that I lost. I'm hoping I do. Maybe I will. Maybe. If not, I hope I lose something. I feel like when I have a gain, I feel like I've like lost 2 weeks because that week I had the gain, and then next week I got to fight to get that gain off. So that's 2 weeks just blown by. And I hate that. That's why I hate gains so much, because I don't want to waste 2 weeks of my journey to try and get extra weight off. I guess there's nothing I can do about it, right? Because it happened and you can't change the past. So I move on and I just try to go on. If I lose like over 1, I'll be thrilled, because then I'll feel like I lost 0.1 for 2 weeks. I don't know. It's a weird way to look at it. It's just how I look at it. My husband thinks I'm crazy when I say things like that, but it's true. That's how I see it. It makes me feel better. And just like my Fitbit, when I'm walking, I set my steps for 8,000, knowing that I really want to get 12 or 10,000, but I set it for 8 just to feel that, like, see the fireworks in my Fitbit saying, you know, you accomplished your goal. But then when I get the extra 2,000, I am an overachiever. So that always makes me work harder. My husband just thinks I'm so weird. That's just how I work though. But hey, if it works, why not, right? But anyway, I probably should get going. Now I see blue skies again, but it's still raining. I'm so hungry right now though. Oh my goodness. I could eat those muffins, but I know I don't dare, because then I wouldn't lose anything. Okie dokie. I'm gonna go. I will be back and let you know if I made it to Starbucks or not, because I have to drive slow with this weather. Whoops. Okay, I'm gonna go since you fell off. Bye. Had 3 of these little packets of roasted chickpea snacks for 3 smart points. 3 of them though is 10 smart points. So they're tiny. They're tiny little bags, but they're really good. Our weekly today is Move Mindfully. And take an awe walk. We do this almost every night because we have such beautiful countryside around here and we love it. And I mainly walk about 8 o'clock so I can see the sunset, and that's really cool. So yeah, it's a good weekly this week, so definitely enjoy that when you go pick it up at your meeting. This is what we had for dinner tonight. It's the 3-meat pizza. 3 pieces is 20 smart points. So yeah, it's a lot of smart points. I didn't eat all of my last one. We had 2 normal size pieces, 1 smaller piece, so it's probably a little under 20, but I'm counting it as 20. And that is what we had for dinner. We're out walking in the dark. And it's kind of fun. We're almost home though. It's not really dark. It looks darker than it is really. So we will talk to you soon. Our Vision Power sticker this week was Explore for week 3. So we definitely plan on doing that this week because we're taking a trip to Texas. So that should be fun. We're on week 40 and there are my results. I actually lost the pound that I gained the week prior. So even though I wasn't real thrilled with that, at least I'm glad I lost that pound. So I'm back down to 244.4. And we will see what next week brings, week 41. So week 40, I lost a pound, 81.2 so far total. Okay, Corey's this week was really good. He lost 6 pounds, so his total is 42 pounds. He's down to 313.4, less than what I started at, so that's pretty cool. And he wasn't able to eat a whole lot this week because he had that mouth surgery done with his tooth, so that caused him to eat a lot of soft food. So he may see a gain next week, we'll see, but if he does, at least we know why. But that is his. We got a Bravo sticker both of us did for walking every day, and Luna, and he got another 5-pound sticker. So he's tied with me now. My first book I lost 40 and he lost 40 in his first book, because this is his last sticker of this book. His weigh-in results. He did really awesome. We both did this week. Very thrilled with results. Since we will be traveling, I also picked up this eating out guide, and it's just a thick book about all the different restaurants. Luna. And it has all of the restaurant menus by cuisine in there, and then it also lists restaurants by alphabetical order. So yeah, I picked that up. I know they have it in the guide in the app, but they have a little more in here, so we're bringing this along. We are planning on eating in the hotel or at my son's house pretty much every day, but just in case we're traveling and we need that, at least we have that available to us. We are definitely planning on staying on track this whole week, so we will see how that turns out, but I'll definitely record it. Okay guys, I'm going to close up the vlog here for the night. Really nothing else I have to add. You've seen the weigh-in results. My food wasn't the greatest today, but I think I went 5 or 6 over points today, but that's not too bad. So, you know, it's Monday. I always go over on Monday. So the rest of the week should be right on track. So we will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.